Common concrete driveway mistakes and how to avoid. Let's go through the important details.
First, common concrete driveway mistakes and how to avoid. Quick answer: for best results, prepare the surface properly, use quality materials, and allow adequate cure time.
Most DIY concrete projects are achievable with proper planning. Regarding why most driveways fail early, a concrete driveway should last 30 to 50 years. Yet, we see driveways that are crumbling, sinking, and cracking after only 5. Why?
Because most contractors follow standard residential practices, which is industry shorthand for doing it as fast and cheap as possible.
Here are the 4 most common mistakes made during driveway installation and how we avoid them at local concrete contractor.
On mistake number 1, poor sub-base compaction. Concrete is heavy, and the cars on top of it are even heavier.
If the ground underneath isn't solid, the concrete will eventually sink or snap. Most contractors just rake the dirt and call it a day.
In Charlotte's red clay, this is a recipe for disaster. Additionally, how to avoid: we use a vibratory plate compactor or a trench roller on every single project. We remove soft topsoil and replace it with 4 to 6 inches of compacted ABC stone, gravel. This creates a bridge that distributes the weight of your car across a solid foundation.
Moving to mistake number 2, the soupy mix, too much water. Concrete is much easier to spread and finish when it's wet and soupy.
Shady contractors will add 20 to 30 gallons of extra water to the mixer truck to make their job easier. But every drop of extra water beyond the chemical requirement creates a void in the concrete as it evaporates. This results in weak, porous concrete that cracks easily. Additionally, how to avoid: we use water-reducing admixtures, plasticizers. These chemicals make the concrete flow like it's wet without actually adding water. This allows us to pour a stiff high-strength mix that is easy to finish but stays at its full 4000 psi rating.
Next, mistake number 3, missing or improper control joints. Concrete will shrink and it will crack. It's a scientific certainty. Control joints are the scored lines you see in a driveway.
They are designed to be a weak point so that when the concrete cracks, it happens at the bottom of the joint where you can't see it.
Most contractors place these joints too far apart or don't cut them deep enough.
Additionally, how to avoid: we follow the 2 to 3 times the thickness rule. For a 4-inch slab, joints should be no more than 8 to 10 feet apart.
And that's what you need to know.